Welcome to Nurs.com, a company built for entrepreneurs by entrepreneurs. Over the next few weeks, we'll be launching a new service that will revolutionize the entrepreneurial world. If you're an entrepreneur, an aspiring entrepreneur, or you provide business opportunities or services to entrepreneurs, please pay close attention as this launch will impact you now or in the near future. We're getting ready to launch a web-based service unlike the world has ever seen. It will be a game changer. It will be covered on business news channels such as Bloomberg TV and CNBC. It will be buzzing all over social media. Your friends and colleagues will be talking about it, and many will be making money from it, either by promoting or participating on the site. Without revealing too much, we can tell you that the service will help aspiring entrepreneurs find their ideal business, connect them to people that can help them grow their business, and what's even more amazing, it will help them access the money they need to build their businesses. This is a revolutionary concept whose time has come. Think about it. People now, more than ever, are looking desperately to start their own businesses, but few are finding real answers. With the current unemployment situation and the popularity of shows like Shark Tank, the timing of this service couldn't be better. Instead of hearing about it later from others, why not be part of it now and benefit from its growth? We have all heard stories of people who got wealthy because they were lucky enough to be part of a successful tech startup. Imagine having been on the ground floor when Bill Gates started Microsoft, when Steve Jobs founded Apple, or more recently when Mark Zuckerberg launched Facebook. It's not often in life that one is privy to these kinds of opportunities, but today, that kind of opportunity is knocking on your door. Don't worry, we're not asking for money. The best part of this pre-release opportunity is that you risk absolutely nothing. All we are asking is for you to help us spread the word of this new service, and for that, we are prepared to reward you handsomely now and when the site is launched in just a few weeks. Many will earn thousands of dollars in the next few weeks following our launch, and some will even earn a six-figure payday during the first month. Because of a few legal restrictions due to our patent pending status, we are limited in regards to what we can share publicly at this point. If you wish to learn more, we need you to accept your invitation below. This window of opportunity will be closing soon, so take advantage of this now. Once you register with our site, 3 things will happen. 1. You will immediately be redirected to another short video where we'll reveal a little more about the company, our vision, our products and services, and more detailed information about our rewards program and amazing compensation package. 2. You will have locked in your position on our site and you'll be in the know with regular updates regarding our development and plans for the launch. You'll even have a rare opportunity to be in the inner circle and have a chance to learn information directly from our corporate officers, even before the media finds out. 3. You'll be able to send out a few invitations to people you know who may benefit from knowing about our site before we launch. So, if you're ready to get in on the ground floor of something truly revolutionary, please accept your invitation below, and we will see you on the other side of the velvet rope.